we're in Gran Canaria. We've just been around the capital, and we moored here. It's a very nice place actually. This is day number 7 of our cruise, and we've moored alongside an Asian cruise boat, smaller than ours. But it's been a really nice day. I think the temperature's around 78. Now it's at 11 o'clock, so it's pretty warm now. And we're leaving about 3:30, so we haven't got much time here, but it was enough time to walk around and have a little look. And there was a real beach, so not the volcanic sand, it was a regular sand beach, so nice walk across the seafront there. Didn't need to go on an excursion, we just walked right across. It was about a 20-minute walk, and found it fairly easily, so yeah, enjoyed that. So we're back onto the ship now, and we're going to chill out for a bit, like you do on these cruise holidays, supposedly. So, see you later. Nice return home. Is that White Bay?
Gonna give you an extra score, alright? And the top 12 of all the rounds combined will go to the final round. Only first winner in the final round will win $500. But today is special. Let me just finish the rule first. One hand tap the play button, another hand tap on the balloon on the screen, alright? Okay. Alright, are you ready? Alright, let's start with 10 seconds.
I was ready. I was ready.
Alright, and now when we go Don't slow down and keep on tapping on your play button. Alright, right now we have Andrew as the first player, following by Francis and Jonathan. Alright, and 1 minute left. We have the new leaderboard right now. We have Ellison, Andrew, and Nevada. Alright, and the session winner goes to Andrew.
Wow!
Alright, let's see if we have the next one. Oh no. The session winner is the winner for the slot tournament today. Congratulations, Andrew. $500.
Cuando te salía algo le tenías que picar acá, después le picando acá, cuando salía cierta cosa.
Pero no me salieron tantas, yo creo.
So we're back in the main dining room, and this is White Night. We, not many people are dressed up tonight, though. We were worried we were on the wrong night, but I don't think so. I think we got it right. So we're starting off with Greek salad and cold soup, gazpacho soup. We'll find out now. Gazpacho soup. So, Greek salad, yeah, it was really good, almost perfect, I think. Now we're looking at prime rib with baked potato. The baked potato, quite a nice size. Paula's on chicken. Is that fried? What chicken's that, Paula?
Fried.
Fried. Yeah, spinach and potato. So it's interesting. And the drinks we're having, JD and Coke, and Paula's got a mocktail, pineapple, yeah. And she enjoyed the cold soup as well. So, she's never tried it before, but she enjoyed it. So far so good. So we're finishing off with the dessert, lemon curd tart. It's like being flamethrowed. Looks nice. Arty, isn't it? And Paula's digging in. Paula's digging in. She can't wait. She can't wait for a creme brulee with pistachios, man. Yeah. It looks like a family portion. Paula. Anyway, I'm sure she'll eat it all. I think we're going to enjoy this once more, and then we're going to watch a band doing Stevie Wonder and Lionel Richie songs. Yeah, right about street. Any side, you don't get a chance. You don't get a chance. You don't get a look in, Paula.
If you've never been to Funchal before, the have to do trip is up the
cable car to Monty and perhaps look at all the sights and return it in a basket, which we didn't do.
Stand on the back like a dog.
you. Great.
It's got a nice cherry and oaky flavor.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
Yeah.
There you go. Solves that problem, doesn't it?
Wow.
Give it a try.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. The reason being that's not a real tomato. That is a reconstructed tomato.
Wow.
So what they do is they leave sugar, salt and garlic out to dry. Once it's completely dried up, they add the flesh of the tomato and agar-agar. So that's a type of gelatin which helps them reconstruct the tomato the way they've done it. Okay? They take out the stem of an actual tomato and put on top as a garnish.
Wow.
Usually in a caprese, you have mozzarella, but here what the chef has used is bocconcino cheese. It's very similar to mozzarella, but a class above. Okay?
Yeah.
On this side, the dusting that you see, it's powdered dehydrated Kalamata olives. Okay? The superior quality of olives.
Yeah.
I have 2 olives right here that look like regular olives.
Yeah.
They're gonna taste like regular olives, but when you put it on your palate, it's gonna burst into a liquid because that's a reconstructed liquid olive.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
I've got sweet and sour tomato remoulade over here. We've got cherry tomatoes over here.
Yeah.
And that's a basil puree. So when you try the cheese, try it with these 3 different elements.
Okay.
The powdered Kalamata olives,
Okay.
sweet and sour tomato remoulade,
Yeah.
and the basil puree. It's going to give a twist on your palate.
Lovely.
Okay?
Okay.
Enjoy. This
you.
one is called crispy crab cones. This is an inverse appetizer. When you pick this one up, take a bite from the bottom first. The reason being there's a small dot of wasabi at the bottom.
Okay.
Just enough to flavorize your palate,
Yep.
not enough to overpower it with spice.
Okay.
But you're still going to feel the wasabi on your palate. So that's the first bite. The second bite is going to be crab meat, which we have in the center, whipped avocado on the top, finished with microgreens. So that's going to calm down your palate.
Okay.
So this is a 2-bite appetizer, but inverse,
Okay.
starting from the bottom.
Great.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
You know, once you hit record.
Okay. Yeah, record.
There we go. What you see on the bottom, that is called kadaifi. It's a type of deep fried noodles that comes from Arabia. Usually over there, the chefs use this for savory desserts.
Okay.
Here, our chef has used it to depict the nest. It's still edible. You can still try some of that. The eggs on the top, they are a concept of deviled eggs. The yellow of the egg has been scooped out. It's been beaten with sriracha, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. Finished with a blue cheese crumble on the top and a drop of sriracha and microgreens. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Nest. The reason the chef has done it to give it a crunchy effect to the shrimp. Okay? But the star of your show is at the bottom of your cups. That dressing, so we have a pepper called Scotch bonnet.
Okay.
Scotch bonnet is a flavorful pepper, not a very spicy pepper.
Okay.
They use that as the main ingredient for the foam dressing at the bottom, and it gives a really good twist to the shrimp. Give it a try.
Thank you.
You still enjoying that one, or I can take it away?
We're still going. We're still going.
Take
Thank
your
you.
time.
Thank
No
you.
worries.
Thank you. Lovely.
Tartar that's infused with sushi mayo and sriracha sauce. So it's going to have a nice lemony zing to it. Okay?
Great.
And the ice on the top is a lemon flavored ice. The green roe that you see, it comes specifically from the flying fish, which is why it's green in color.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, great.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Short rib, potato, all different sizes of bits and pieces. It's nice, isn't it? Another presentation. And Paula's? Yes. Sauces. To go on.
Not going to explain any of it.
I don't know.
Bordelaise sauce, that's a red wine reduction for your short rib.
Lovely.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Wow.
And the forbidden apple for you.
Oh. Lovely.
You guys are ready?
Yep. Yep.
Here we go. And that's the world crumbling down.
It's good, Joe. We took a photo.
Let's hope it doesn't happen for all of our sakes, yeah?
Thank you. Nice. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.